Okay, welcome back. We are going to do March analytics for my third channel, Baby Registry Reviews. Okay, so March. We got 49 views, which got us 5 watch time hours and 0 subs. We gained 1, we lost 1, so net 0. I believe we also published 5 videos during this time period. Overall, this channel is only 3 months old. We started in January, had February, and now we're in March. It depends on what stats you're looking at. I would say overall January was better than February, depending on some of the stats. Then February had some stats that were better in different ways, and I think March overall is not great. Overall, we're kind of going down. Let's dive into it a little bit deeper. I'm not doing shorts on this channel. It is only long form videos. Let's go ahead and add percentage viewed and watch time hours. Okay, so like I said earlier, we got our 5 watch time hours. Our average percentage viewed was about 42%, which is great. If people are watching, 40% of my video, that's great because some of these videos are longer on this channel. So it is getting me watch time hours, whereas one of my other channels, if I would have gotten 49 views, I might have only gotten like 49 minutes of watch time versus 5 hours. So this channel, it has so much potential. We just got to get it there. Impressions were about 2,000 with a click-through rate of 1.9%. So this is where I'm struggling. Click-through rate, impressions, and the views. I'm not getting the clicks. I'm not getting the impressions, the thumbnail, the title. They're not doing it for some reason. And I don't know why exactly, because I feel like baby registries are popular. I feel like people get pregnant. They look up what to get, what to skip. I don't know why I'm not getting the views. A lot of baby registry videos that get a ton of views are from influencers that have this huge audience. They get pregnant, they have a baby, they do the whole baby registry thing, and their audience that's already there flocks to those videos and they enjoy them and they watch them. Versus me, I don't have this audience. I just want randos to find me and my videos to be sent to these random pregnant women. So I'm wanting more like search-based almost. So I don't know what the deal is. I'm really trying to help YouTube with my tags, with my, hashtags, this, that, whatever. Really trying to work on the thumbnails and the titles. I do spend a decent amount of time on these thumbnails because I really want this channel to take off. Average view duration is 6 minutes. I just need the views. I need those clicks to turn into views because I can get the watch time. I firmly believe I can. I just need more views. Okay, so this is what March looked like, and these numbers are actually down. So let's go into the actual content. Again, I only had 49 views. That's absolutely terrible. Okay, so this was March. This top video was January. It was still like possibly my first video ever published. And then here, we got a March one, okay? The red, don't forget, I'm definitely trying to use red sometimes as like that, warning, stop, that sort of thing. 8 views, 1.4 click-through rate, 3 minutes average view duration is great, but just, not quite cutting it. Baby items to skip and get, that one was March. I liked that thumbnail, I thought it was pretty, but it got a 1.3 click-through rate. But the 6 people that viewed it gave me an average view duration of 8 minutes. Oh, let's look at this next one. So this one was a January one, still getting a couple of views for it. It's a long one at 26 minutes. My average view duration on that is 20 minutes. We need to add here? We need to add watch time because I bet that one, that one got me 1.4. It moved up to the top here for watch time. So yeah, longer videos definitely going to get me more watch time. I mean, some of these view durations, they're amazing. I might have only got 1 view, but they are amazing. So I don't know what to do to get more views here. And obviously my click-through rates, I feel like they're very high or very low. Okay, I got the 1.1, the 1.4s, but then I'll get like a 5 or like a 6 here. Those are not bad. Not really sure what's going on, honestly. I feel like when I get a view, it should tell YouTube to send my video out because I get the good average view duration, which YouTube normally will reward you for. So I'm so confused on this channel in a way, and I so badly want it to get monetized and get rolling, and I want 1,000 views in the month, not 47. So I'm going to keep grinding on this one. And actually for January, I had 4 videos, February 4, and then March I had 5. I post these on Sundays. And for April, I'm actually scheduling out a video every Sunday and Monday. So that'll put me at 8 or 9 videos, depending on how the month laid out. And so yeah, I'm going a little bit more all in on this channel. And another thing that I'm doing is I'm going to launch a service. Okay, I don't have the subs, I don't have the watch hours, and I'm not going to get those for a little while. So in the meantime, what I want to do is offer a service. It's not going to be the biggest moneymaker in the sense I am trading time for work. It's not a course that people can do without me. It's going to be one-on-one type services. Basically, I do baby registry reviews on my channel. What I'm going to do is offer the service to do a personalized baby registry review for a customer. They let me know their baby registry and they're going to give me some details like, are you putting them in daycare? Do you want to breastfeed? You know, details like that that are going to impact the items they should register for. And yeah, I'm going to give them that personalized feedback. Obviously, this is not going to be a free service. And then I'm also debating doing a higher tier service where it's a like one-on-one work with me, like multiple sessions going through your baby registry together. Possibly me just like creating it almost like for you. Very much more personalized, more hands-on, and more work involved versus me just looking at what you already have. So these are two things I'm offering. I don't know. Will people pay for this service? Do people actually need help with their baby registries? I don't know. So to be determined, but I'm going to throw it out there, and it will take time in my week to create these videos or to work with clients one-on-one. But I am currently not making like anything basically from YouTube. So I would love to bring in some income. And if that means having less videos on my other channel, I can live with that. It's a bummer, but I need to make money for my family. So if this channel is the ticket to do so, then this is the channel that I will move forward with most passionately and most strongly. If you have any thoughts, any feedback for this channel, I would love it because like I said, like those click-through rates and just like watch time and views and impressions, they're all over the place on this channel. And honestly, I am very unsure on this channel. One final thing I do want to show you really quick is just in the Earn tab where we're at on our journey to monetization. We're at 1 subscriber, you already know that. And at this point, we are at 40 public watch time hours, and that is 3 months on YouTube. This channel was launched in January of 2025. So yeah, that is where we are. I would love to see it get monetized, but I do know the subscribers are gonna be a struggle to gain. So realistically, that's why I wanna offer a service and do more of a business format on this channel versus waiting for YouTube monetization. Okay, so let me know your thoughts, and I look forward to hearing from you. Until then, check out some more videos, and I wish you all the best in your YouTube journey. All right, good luck to you. Keep working, and hopefully we will see success.